Hello everyone. Here again I am discussing some more word problems based on time and work. This question is given: A and B working together can mow a field in 56 days. A and B can do work in 56 days. And with the help of C, they could have mowed it in 42 days. That means with the help of C, when they work together, they can complete that work in 42 days. So how long would C take to mow the field by himself? That means we are required to find in how many days C alone can do that work. So first A plus B. A plus B working together. A plus B can do one work, or you can write do one work, or you can write, because it is given, mow. So A plus B can mow in 56 days. So A plus B is 1 day work. Every time we will find 1 day work. So A plus B is 1 day work is 1 upon 56. Now with the help of C, that means now they are 3 persons, A, B and C. So A plus B plus C can mow in 42 days. In 42 days. And their 1 day work will be A plus B plus C is 1 day work is 1 upon 42. 1 upon 42. Now we are required to find C. So according to these variables, students, you can see, if I subtract A plus B plus C from this, is if I subtract A plus B, so it becomes A plus B plus C minus, because of this sign will be changed, minus A minus B. So A and A cancel, B and B cancel, we are left with C. Same here also, we will get, when we subtract A plus B's work from A plus B plus C's work, we will get C's work alone. So here C is 1 day work. C is 1 day work alone. C is alone. 1 day work is A plus B plus C is 1 day work minus A plus B is 1 day work. Okay. So A plus B plus C is 1 day work is 1 upon 42, and A plus B was 1 upon 56. Now take the LCM of 42 and 56, that is 168. Then it is 42 fours are 168 and 56 threes are. So now I will get 1 upon 168. This is C is 1 day work. Therefore C can do, or C can move himself in, then again we will take the reciprocal, in 168 days. In 168 days. Yes. Here one more typical question. A can do a piece of work in 20 days and B in 15 days. So again we will find their 1 day's work. So again A can do one work in 20 days. Okay. So A's 1 day work. A's 1 day work is 1 upon 20. 1 upon 20. So you can write comma, or you can write therefore. So therefore A's 1 day work is 1 upon 20. B can do one work in 15 days. In 15 days, therefore B's 1 day work is 1 upon 50. They work together on it for 6 days. So first we will find A plus B's 1 day work. A plus B 1 day work is 1 upon 20 plus 1 upon 50. Now take the LCM. LCM is 60, 23s are, and 15 fours are, that is 7 upon 60. 7 upon 60 is their 1 day work. But they work together on it for 6 days. So first we will find their 6 days when they were working together. So A plus B's 6 days work. A plus B's 6 days work is 7 upon 16 multiply 6. Now we will simplify. We will get 7 upon 10. So that means 7 upon 10 work was done. When they were working together, 7 upon 10 work was done. Then A left. Then now we will find how much work is left. So when A left, so work left. Total work was whole work. Always take whole work as 1. 1 is the whole work. Out of this, 7 upon 10 work was done. So how much work was left? By taking LCM, it will be 3 upon 10. 3 upon 10 work is left. And this remaining work is done by B. And we are required to find in how many days B can complete this remaining work. So students, we know that in the very beginning it is given B can do 1. 1 means whole. B can do 1 work in what was given in 15 days. But now he has to do only this part, only this fraction of work, that is B can do 3 upon 10 work in 15 multiply 3 upon 10. So 5 2s are 5 3s are, that is 9 upon 2 days, or you can convert this into mixed fraction, that is 4 1 upon 2 days. I hope you got it. Thank you.